Hi, so today's DIY project is removing the glass cover from a ceiling light fixture. Now these are just the builder's standard, they're all over the house. And I don't use my ceiling lights a lot, so I haven't had to change the bulbs in 5 years. Like in the day, there's enough sunlight, I don't need it. And at night I usually just use my little desk lamp type thing, so I haven't had to replace the bulb, but there are these gross dead flies, whatever in there, and it makes my teeth itch. I don't want them in there. So I thought maybe as a project I can figure out how the heck you get these glass things off. There are 3 clips. Now, I learned the hard way from the other ones not to try removing the clip with your bare hands because I got a blister on my thumb. They're hard to remove, I'm not gonna lie to you. So the way it works, there are 2 clips that are just permanently on there that are like bolted on there that you can't move, and then there's one that budges a little bit, but it doesn't help you that much. So this is the one that's moving. So we're going to remove that one, or stretch it out enough to pull the glass out. But again, it's not easy. So what I did is got some gardening gloves so I could protect my fingers, because they're sharp edged. They're like a combination of a spoon and a knife. It's not nice. All right, so I've done the other ones in the house. This is the biggest one. Obviously have the lights off while you're doing this, so I don't even know if this is aimed at the right spot. Yeah, have the lights off, make sure that it's cool, you don't want to burn yourself. And so you find the one that stretches, it's on like a little spring thing, and you pull it, but it is not easy. Like, find the strongest person in your house to do this. Unfortunately, I'm the only person in my house other than my daughter. Okay, so then you stretch enough. You can take the glass part off. Yeah, I know. What the hell even is that? Like what? Oh, it's a bit of insulation. It's like, seriously? So now I can clean out this disgusting thing. Just wait 1 second. And don't use don't use cleaners inside this, because I think it'll take off the frosting of the glass. So just use like a dry cloth, Kleenex or something, like I'm doing. Okay, I'll be right back. So yeah, and then just like clean it out while you've got the chance. Change the bulb if that's what you needed to do. And then you're going to put it back on. See, and nobody tells you these things. Like, nobody says, oh, by the way, when you have to change your light, this is how you do it. So, okay, so put it back in, slide it back in. Carefully, don't break the glass. And again, it's hard to stretch. Like, this is not easy. Ouch. Okay, and then it snaps back in. So now finally, after 4.5, 5 years, I've got a light that doesn't have disgusting dead flies and crap in it. There, so yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. And I looked online, I looked on YouTube, and no one had this kind of light and how you take it off. So that's how you do it. Just look for the clip that stretches. Know that it's going to be hard. Use gloves. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.